Redwood Primary School does not only foster academics, but strive to produce well-rounded students. It was therefore no surprise when one of our students, Mariann Morgan, the 9-year-old, entered for the second time the Florida-based Peter Gracey This is Jamaica poetry competition, where she not only earned first place, but is now an ambassador of the organization, which has stakeholders such as Oliver Samuels. Can you believe it? One of our own small students here. Mariann, where are you? Mariann.
Come in.
Hurry up, sweetheart. Please come here. I am going to pause, and I am going to allow her for just 5 minutes. Mariann, could you give us that rendition that won you first place? I wouldn't tell you how much money she win. It's her business, not yours.
The greatness in me is yet to come, as long as I have the strength to breathe. To know myself and to know my worth is to know my God indeed. There's no such thing as I can't. There's no such thing as fair. Only false evidence appearing real, and the ones who do not care. I will lean not to my own understanding and find what my purpose serves, and trust in God and not in man while I experience my time on earth. I am balanced and I am focused. I was born to first follow, then lead. I will only love and never judge, as long as I have the strength to breathe.